Look what came in the mail today. It is the quarterly deluxe subscription box from Cloth and Paper. This was $154, and I can't wait to see what's inside. It even has a warning that says, handle with care because there's glass inside. And this is totally different than, I think it's totally different than their monthly subscription, which is $39.99. So let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Tuesday or today because we have special deliveries like this. Now remember, if you would like to create your own planner subscription box, I do have a huge, massive list of amazing vendors for subscription box creators. It tells you where I recommend to go for fulfillment, where to buy the wholesale products that you see inside of these boxes, where to get packing tape, where to get bubble wrap, all that crinkly stuff, where to get boxes and tissue paper, anything and everything that you would need for your subscription box business. I have a list of preferred vendors. So make sure to join Planner Pixie's annual VIP because you get it for free. All right, let's check this box out and see what's inside. All right, so let's open up this box. It looks like we got some notes here. I'm actually just going to dump this out. All right, we have 2 boxes and a set of papers, stickers, postcards, not really sure. Aesthet, I don't even know how to pronounce that. Oh, it's a list of everything that we get inside of here. All of the retail costs and I guess pictures of everything to make sure you got stuff. So let's check it out. Leather care. We have Levant, purposeful, powerful, plant-based, clean. Clear-eyed, high-minded. Oh, this must be from the vendor so that you can order from them if you want more stuff. The super automatic bean to cup espresso machine. I mean, that would be amazing, but I'm like 99.9% sure there is not an espresso machine inside of here. Oh, here, it's a code to get $75 off. So that must be really expensive to get that, and then just an order form. Okay, paper boring. So let's go ahead and look at the first of the 2 boxes, which is bubble wrapped. Called Joy Jolt. So this must be the glass that was really expensive that we didn't want to ruin. Joy Jolt, Drink for Joy, Bloom Coupe. I've actually never heard of this brand. And, oh, these are martini glasses. They don't look like typical. I'm used to like the standard martini glasses. However, I'm open to looking at new things. You know, I don't even drink anymore, so I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm open to drinking my water in this new martini glass that has been provided. Why can't I open this? Okay, there we go. So glass number 1, we have glass number 2. I could use those, I guess. This was super cute. Let's try putting some of these pages in here. This is really thick for something that just has a couple pages in it. There we go. It's kind of silly, right? But I guess in theory, you could have 20 months in here because I guess that's just 1 month. You'd have plenty of space. I don't know. This does look like it's kind of hard to write in. I mean, I think this is so cute in theory. Like, I love this idea, but in practicality, I just don't know how much I'm going to write in this thing. It's just so big, yet cute, but useless. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I think this is pretty. Maybe I'll just use it as like a stock photo in the back because it does do a good job of standing up. This is the body scrub I'll probably never use. I don't know why. This, like, I mean, I will definitely try this. I'll let you know how it is. What else? The incense sticks I can't use, unfortunately. Oh yeah, let's test this out. Let's see how the incense stick goes inside of here. Oh, there we go. So it kind of like goes to the side. The cleanser, I guess, it's okay. Not too, kind of neutral on that. And I think, was that it? Oh no, the martini. So the martini glasses are my absolute favorite, even though I don't drink alcohol or wine of any kind, but they just look really cute. I really like these. So the martini glasses are my favorite. So I guess I got paid $150 for martini glasses, but I did want to see what was inside and check it out. Let me know what you think. And I hope everyone's having a fabulous and wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.